I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how far is Russia into Ukraine right now step by step. Follow along as we map advances, front lines, and key cities chronologically and geographically. I will summarize major thrusts, supply constraints, and defensive lines with plain distances and city status. You will hear simple comparisons of sectors, learn what has changed, and see why some axes matter more for logistics and civilian safety. We will walk through each major axis to track progress and pause points, using simple distance markers and recognizable towns to orient you. I describe how supply, weather, and terrain shape advances, and why some pushes slow near rivers or urban belts. You will get a clear sense of when control is contested versus secured, and how counterattacks change momentum along specific corridors and routes. Next, we focus on cities that matter for movement and logistics, naming where lines have shifted and which urban centers remain contested. I highlight corridors linking ports, rail hubs, and supply depots, and explain why some towns are strategic choke points. Expect clear, non-technical descriptions so you can picture how city control affects nearby countryside and the broader operational picture without needing prior military knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.